Perfect.
3,
Perfect.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let it ride.
That was,
Wow.
yeah,
How was that?
I didn't even have to steer, which usually I have to.
Really good.
Yeah.
All right, hold water.
See, we know we're finishing after 10, so we go much harder.
What's that?
We know we're finishing after 10, so we're giving like 120 now.
That's great. Yes, and that's what you're supposed to do, Bob. Bob said it right. You know you're finished with those power ones after 10, and you can ease into your race pace then.
Well, it didn't help that Bob Gobitzer, it didn't help that he rollerbladed down here today.
Let's do that. One more time, just like that. Let's
Hang on. Nope. Freeze. Hold on. We'll run right over them.
Actually, the skates afterwards, feel
Yeah.
the 9-mile skates afterwards.
Well, the skate down was a warm-up.
You gotta push it.
We'll do one more race start. Just the race start, then we'll stop, do a race start, race pace, back to what Pete tells us to ease up.
Here we go.
Right.
That first pull is huge. You can see the boat actually comes up about a
Ready?
foot.
Attention. 1, 2,
Yeah, got it again.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let it ride.
That was the best one yet.
That is very
Oh.
good.
Feel that.
The boat really does come out of the water about a foot.
Good.
Oh yeah.
All right.
At first yank.